Hey, I've been hearing different things about the cost of changing my Ford F-150's transmission fluid. Can you help me out?
Absolutely. The cost varies based on where you get it done. Ford service centers can be pricier, ranging from $445 to $570. Local auto shops are more budget-friendly, around $138 to $296. Doing it yourself? Well, then you'll have to count around $100 to $250.
Wow, quite a range.
Yes. Service centers use specific gears and expert techniques, hence the higher cost. Auto shops are more preferable middle route. And if you go for DIY, you save on labor cost, making it more economical.
Interesting. Any tips for someone going the DIY route?
Certainly, ensure you use the right transmission fluid. Using the wrong one can damage your gears.
Will do. And what about warranty-covered service?
Good catch. If your car's under warranty, you might catch a break, no cost. But be mindful of possible VAT charges at the service center.
Got it. Thanks for the insight.
Anytime. You should check out Auto Insider X's latest blog that breaks down the cost even better. Links in the description.